Hello and welcome to my channel, Boo Snakes and More. For more videos like this, also watch my other house channel, A&A Snakes and Stuff, my youngest son's channel, Henny's Toys and Games, or my oldest son's channel, Little Chris 10. Today we're going to be talking about Batman Arkham City, so let's dive in. I'm not convinced you'll ever get a Batman game better than Arkham City, you know. I know some Batman fans think Arkham Asylum is the better game, and a few would even argue Arkham Knight is superior, but for me, it's the second game in the trilogy that nails it. The story is excellent. In the open world offers the right level of freedom, while still believably feeling like an open-air prison, and the combat and exploration is improved on in every way. If you've been looking for an excuse to don the old cape and claw and head back into Arkham City, I've got something just for you. The iconic superhero game just got an incredibly brutally new difficulty mode that you can download and play free right now, thanks to the dedicated work of a modder. The Nightfall Overhaul mod makes Arkham City a much tougher game, but by greatly reducing the amount of time you have for counters, increasing enemy damage, and making stealth selections much harder. In other words, it really stacks the odds against you. But you're Batman, so go show him who's boss. This mod only works on the game's hard mode and New Game Plus and won't work with any of the existing challenge maps. But if you really want to prove you're the best Batman out there, this is definitely the mod for you. If you're not quite feeling up to this particular challenge but still fancy some Batman style action in your life, I definitely urge you to go ahead and check out this brand new Unreal Engine 5 game that looks like a blend of Arkham Knight and Cyberpunk 2077, or you could just do what I did over Christmas and replay the entire Arkham trilogy. Great use of my time, and I mean that most sincerely.